was tired of him nibbling me, man. I was trying to get him. So, I was trying to get him, y'all. Yeah. Y'all know who it is. It's your boy Catfish channel, y'all. I'm back. It's raining. And I'm finna get it in. Ron still in Tennessee, man. Busy. Getting the K in school. And guess who out here, y'all? None other than Catfish channel. When I'm on my bridge, man, I got your fire going in the background. As y'all can see, it's raining. We're gonna throw this in and see what we can get today. Alright, my first can. Hold on. I should have went a little farther, but it's okay. I'm gonna find out. Hope y'all enjoyed the show. I want to apologize for my late comments, y'all. Been having phone problems with my storage and stuff, so I ain't been able to check my messages. But I finally got a hold to them. I'm pretty sure y'all understand how they go. You find me a nice little spot. Get a tight line. Bam. There we go. We need to put a bell on that thing. But I'll see y'all in a minute, alright? He's still shaking on it a little bit, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with these fish today, man. They don't want to take them. Catfish challenge, y'all. I had to finesse him, y'all. It seems like he's pretty big. I hope y'all can see it. I finessed him. gonna get them in here though. See what we got going on. Look like a nice blue. I don't know. Yeah, get him right there. Catfish chowder. This is how we do it. Y'all see that? Yeah, he was trying to get up out of there, y'all. I had to finesse him and kind of wave with him, let him basically take the bait because he was seeming to eat the stuff out of it. Let's see, y'all. And this is what we got, y'all. That's your boy. Holla at me. Catfish Charlie. Yeah. I'm Catfish Charlie. I'm Catfish Charlie. Yeah. We're gonna get them all day, y'all. I'm finna try to get my line back. I got less than about 30 minutes to go. You know. But I did get y'all a show. This is it right here, man. This is what we out here for. Y'all people that support me, make sure you keep supporting. Make sure you newcomers like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll be right back. So we got a bite, y'all. Got him, y'all. Catfish Charlie. I think I got him. He might be a small one. I didn't let him bite him, bro. I didn't get him. I was too anxious. I should have let him take it. But he did eat everything up out of there, though. We're gonna go put another one on there, y'all. Wow. I can't believe he got me like that. He got it. I'll be right back. We got that green pole moving over there. I got live shad, well, I got cooked bait shad. The beer wrong. little time, y'all, to see what it do. If I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna catch this challenge. I'm gonna catch this one. Y'all can see it, and it got the raining. Yeah, man. I'm still out on here on this dock trying to catch these catfish. I got one today. And you know, when I was just at my other spot earlier up under the bridge, I had a couple of pulls with really no bites. So I went out and got me some live sand with my cast net. I'm gonna have to show y'all how to throw that cast net too, if y'all don't know how to throw it. I really just learned myself. They taught me one time, and I think I'm a pro, you know. So I caught me about 40 shad today, and so I usually when I catch them, I freeze them where I won't have to keep on getting bait or keep on throwing. But I think I like throwing the net anyway, you know what I mean. But yeah, as y'all see it's rain, I'm about ready to wrap up. I want to say thank y'all for tuning in to the show, to the show, to the show, to the show. Y'all make sure y'all hit that notification bell, like and subscribe. I am Catfish. I'm out.